Hi! In this video I want to share a couple of tips on how to not accidentally stall your bike. And, as always, there will be a special exercise for this matter. To avoid stalling your bike, you need to do two things. First is pretty obvious. You shouldn't dump your clutch. Instead, find the exact point where your clutch starts to pull you forward and memorize it. This is clutch engagement point, and it's very important to know exactly where it is. You can safely release the clutch as fast as you want up to this point, but from there release it in smooth, controlled manner. It was the first thing. Second thing, which will really prevent you from stalling your bike, is throttle. A lot of people like to release the clutch on idle engine speed and only then open throttle. Or open the throttle and release the clutch simultaneously. Instead, it would be far better if you give your bike a little throttle just before you start releasing the clutch. It gives your engine necessary power to successfully move your bike from a complete stop. There is a special exercise just for this. It's called stop and go exercise. In this exercise, you need to make a complete smooth stop, then quickly start, move couple of meters and stop again. As I said before, for a confident and smooth start, you should give your bike a little throttle and release the clutch smoothly from its biting point. Keep your arms loose and slightly bent. Look far ahead. Even at complete stop, don't look down. Try to start and stop with bike being as vertical as possible. When you're starting, don't forget to completely release your brake. Don't drag it. You should apply very gentle pressure on the rear brake when you are coming to a stop. If you have to really stomp on this pedal, it means you forgot to pull the clutch enough. At first, you can use your left foot during stops, but once you become more proficient, try to leave your feet on the pegs. After you master this exercise, you almost certainly won't stall your bike ever again, unless you accidentally try to start from 4th gear or something. I did that once, it was embarrassing. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. And join my Facebook group for new riders. Ask me anything there and I'll answer. Thank you for watching. Bye.